Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Math Time. Are you guys ready to have some fun? Let's go. Let's begin like we always do with our 10 frame counting. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 counters on our 10 frame. Good job, my friends. You guys are doing a marvelous job. So, today we're going to continue to explore subtraction, but you're going to be drawing your own pictures. So, the materials that you're going to need for today are a piece of paper and some crayons. That's it. So, we're going to do our poem from yesterday, 10 in the bed. Make sure you have your 10 fingers ready. And then we're going to practice a couple of subtraction problems on our 10 frame. And then we're going to draw some subtraction stories together. All right, my friends? So, let's begin with our 10 in the bed story. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 10. 9. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 9. 8. There were 8 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 8. 7. There were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 7. 6. There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 6. 5. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 5. 4. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 4. 3. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 3. 2. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. 2. 1. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, where'd all my friends go? Hey, everybody, come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, all right, my friends, good job using your imagination. So, we're going to continue with the amount of counters that we left off with yesterday, and we ended with 5 counters. So, we're going to use these 5 counters as our starting point for our subtraction today. So we're going to pretend like these counters are frogs in a pond. Okay, let's go. There were 5 frogs in the pond, and then 2 hopped away. How many frogs do we have in the pond? So here goes our 5 frogs in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 hopped away. How many do we have left? You got it. 3. So now there are 3 frogs in the pond, and one hopped away to get some water. Doop, 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 doop. How many do we have left now? 2. Good job. So there are 2 frogs in the pond, and 2 frogs chose to hop out the pond to get some sun. 1, 2. How many frogs do we have left in the pond? Right, 0. So, my friends, as you can see, when you subtract, you can take away as many as you want. But as long as you're taking something away, that's subtraction. So, now, my friends, let's begin our activity for today. We're going to use some drawings, and you can draw however you want. Miss Council is going to use circles because circles seem to be the easiest thing to draw and to help us to understand our math concepts quickly, okay? So, let's get going. Okay, we're going to begin to use our drawings to help us with subtraction stories. We're going to start with 7 circles. So can you make 7 circles on your paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the amount that we're going to start with, 7. I'm going to tell you a story, and I want to see if you can make your own subtraction problem using drawings. Are you ready? So we have 7 flowers in the garden. And then my friend came along and she picked 3. How many flowers do we have left in the garden? What are you going to do, my friends? We started with 7, and then my friend picked 3. Right, I hope you said we're going to take away 3. So let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So we had 7, and then we took away 3. How many do we have left? You got it, 4. So how we would write that is 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay? This minus sign means to take away. All right, let's do another one. This time I want you to put 5 circles, okay? 5 circles. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to start off with 5. So because we're starting with 5, you can actually write the number 5 because that's where we're beginning at. That's where we're starting, okay? So there were 5 flowers in my garden, and my son came along and he picked 4. How many flowers are left in my garden? Okay, look at your drawing. There were 5 flowers in the garden, and then my son came along and picked 4. What are you going to do to show that you took away 4? Right, you're going to X them out, right? So just X out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started with 5, and then we took away 4. And how many do we have left? You got it, 1. 5 take away 4 equals 1. You guys are getting good at this. Let's do one more. This time you're going to put 9 dots. We're going to start with 9 dots. Let's put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you can put the 9 at the bottom here. That's what we're starting with. So there were 9 flowers in the garden, and my mom came along and said, "Oh, I love those flowers. I'm going to take 6. How many flowers do I have left in my garden?" What are you going to do? Right, you're going to take away 6. So let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many do we have left? 9 take away 6 equals how many? Right, 3. 1, 2, 3. 9 take away 6 equals 3. So my friends, make sure you're practicing it every day, and make sure you're using your word problems and you're actually thinking of the numbers and the story to help you. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.